All right, guys. Remember this is not guys. Remember that this is not trading advice in any way, shape, or form. This is just my opinion of what I think will transpire for the week of the 2nd of July to the 7th. And remember that this week we have non-farm payroll. So just gonna quickly go through it. What happened the previous week on EURUSD, GBPUSD. Let's see here. Since I'll post 2 videos that have a DXY analysis, which is a dollar index. So obvious the dollar index, we are bearish that side. So if we're bearish that side, we will be expecting bullish prices on EURUSD and GBPUSD. So as you can see, the market has been ranging, really no movement like this one. It looks like it's almost consolidating here on the weekly chart of EURUSD. Daily chart, that bullishness of mine seems to be, we've got a fair value gap in there and we are respecting it nicely. We didn't close below it, so the close of this candle respects the high of this candle. So I think my buys are still valid, and even here on the 4-hour, we've got this fair value gap being respected here, the low of it and the high of it here, and pushing higher. We've got this swing high right here being violated. That for me is a market structure shift. So I'd love to see price trade down and then attacking these highs and eventually up here or over there. So as you can see on the 1 hour, we've got this fair value gap from the 4-hour, but it's much bigger on the 1 hour. And I would love to see price on Monday trade low, and then inside this fair value gap would look for buying opportunities, attacking buy side target, which is 1,094414 and 1,09622 and eventually 1,09767. So those are my targets for this week. Hopefully we do get them, and order flow does follow the analysis. Let's see what it does here. Yeah, so also be looking for like optimal trade entries. As you can see, and there's here the low end of that 4-hour fair value gap would be 50%, and anything below that I would be looking to buy it. In here we also have this breaker pattern right here. We also have that breaker right there, so price might use that as support and push up, so might come down into the breaker and then start trading higher and higher, and TP1 matches this high, so that's nice. And then symmetrical, maybe I think 1.5 is too far, but we'll see how it all works as the week unfolds, which is currently the same thing that we'll be seeing here on let me quickly go to the 1 hour, which is exactly almost similar thing that we'll be seeing on GBP USD. We are trading just a little bit below this weekly fair value gap here, and we have another one up about this buy side, so we might be seeing targeting, and we had a market structure shift here and it respected this fair value gap nicely. So there's that low end of that weekly fair value gap, price traded below and came down, so I might look for these highs and eventually that fair value gap up there. So yeah, it's exactly the same thing. So here, let's see what an optimal, yes, the optimal trade entry will be inside that breaker. So yeah, that's what I think will transpire going into this week, guys, and we'll be seeing the opposite thing on USDCHF. So it's kind of looking the same. Yeah, so we'll be targeting these lows 1, 2, and eventually those ones there at the bottom. So yeah, let's see what this week gives us. We'll see what Monday looks like, and then we'll take it from there. Other than that, stay safe.